Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are incredibly excited to walk you through our capability deck showcasing the breadth and depth of our expertise in cutting-edge embedded and IoT solutions. We will explore how Krishworks empowers innovation from the microcontrollers to the cloud infrastructures. So let's dive in. On this page, we highlight our core strength, embedded edge gateway solutions. This is where the magic of connecting the physical and digital world truly happens. We specialize in developing robust solutions using microcontroller and IoT nodes, which are the brains of the smart devices. Our expertise extends deep into firmware development, ensuring reliable and efficient operation for every embedded system we touch. We prioritize security, implementing advanced measures like secure boot, verified boot, device maintainability, and disk encryption alongside hardware security modules and OTP memory to safeguard your data and devices from end to end. For seamless data flow, we integrate powerful cloud sync capabilities, enabling your devices to communicate effortlessly with the cloud. We are masters of various protocols including Wi-Fi, Thread, LTE, LAN, sub-1 GHz like LoRa, NB-IoT, Cat-M1, BLE, Zigbee, LoRa, LoRaWAN, and Modbus, ensuring versatile connectivity for any application. Our capabilities are built on a strong foundation of embedded Linux with deep knowledge in Yocto, Buildroot, and custom Linux porting. We handle everything from bootloader and kernel development to device drivers. We are at the forefront of emerging standards like Matter, ensuring future-proof solutions. Beyond software, we excel in prototyping and circuit design, carefully selecting components and sensors to bring your ideas to life. We also implement advanced features like ABOT updates using Mentor and RAW, ensuring your devices are always up to date and secure. Our solutions are built upon powerful toolchains supporting processors from NXP, Intel, Rockchip, Broadcom, and Nordic. We bridge the gap from wireless and wired IoT sensors to comprehensive cloud integration, suffering user interface and console development and leveraging leading cloud platforms such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. Moving on, our next page illustrates our approach to the building prototypes, outlining how we transform initial concepts into tangible working solutions through careful component identification and development as well as by assembling them on general PCBs. This page delves into our expertise in bare metal firmware development, showcasing our proficiency with SoCs like PEAK, MSP, ARM, Silicon Labs, and protocols like USB, BLE, TCP/IP, I2C, SPI, OneWire, and PWM. Here we highlight our comprehensive firmware development on FreeRTOS, detailing our work with platforms like ESP32 and STM32 and our capabilities in mesh networking, wireless coexistence, and a wide array of sensor integrations, communications with LTE, NB-IoT, GPS, display modules, ADC and DAC converts, battery monitoring, and power efficiency. Our next page focuses on single board computers, showcasing our proficiency with various IoT edge gateways, emphasizing our deep understanding of Debian and embedded Linux-based operating systems, and LTE GPS module integrations. Continuing our discussion on SPCs, this page details our application development capabilities, including Python and Node.js scripts, device monitoring, remote troubleshooting, and various industrial communication protocols like CAN bus and Modbus. This section is all about the cloud, where we detail our extensive experience with major platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, highlighting key services for IoT storage, databases, and authentication. Expanding on our cloud capabilities, this page covers advanced deployments like fleet provisioning and monitoring, Grafana dashboards, load balancing, and our expertise in both SQL and non-SQL databases, including time series data with InfluxDB. Here we arrive at our smart devices section, demonstrating our expertise in Matter, Thread, Z-Wave protocols, and our work with smart locks, smart water valves, and the Samsung SmartThings ecosystem, focusing on enhancing smart device capabilities. This section showcases our expertise in cross-platform mobile development using Flutter and native technologies. From Bluetooth low-energy integrations to advanced media compression and encoding, our mobile apps are optimized for performance, connectivity, and user experience. Powering robust applications, our backend capabilities include frameworks like Node.js, Express.js, Django, and Flask. We specialize in scalable APIs, role-based authentication, real-time WebSockets, and ORM tools like Prisma and Sequelize, all documented with Swagger for seamless integration. We built dynamic and responsive web applications using modern frameworks like React.js and Next.js. From admin dashboards to analytics portals, our web apps offer smooth performance, modular architecture, and user interfaces tailored for scale and usability. Our AI/ML capabilities span a wide spectrum, from cognitive pronunciation assessments to advanced computer vision using models like YOLO V3, FaceNet, and UNet. We leverage frameworks such as TensorFlow, TF-Lite, and HL5 and develop solutions in Python for both NLP and LLM-based applications. We also support industrial use cases like hotspot and cold spot monitoring for IoT through intelligent. For signal-intensive applications, our team implements core algorithms including fast Fourier transforms, pulse wave modulation, and digital signal processing techniques. These form the foundation for advanced data processing in edge and embedded systems. Our solutions span across multiple domains such as healthcare, mobility, home automation, restaurant management, and hospitality. Whether it's critical health monitoring or smart POS systems, we customize technologies to meet the demands of diverse industries. From information architecture to high-fidelity wireframes, our UI/UX design process ensures products are not only functional but delightful to use. Using tools like Figma and FigJam, we cover the full design lifecycle from concept to clickable prototypes. We deliver bug-free experiences with rigorous testing using tools like Selenium, APM, Jest, and Paint. Our QA process includes behavior-driven development, test-driven development, hybrid test engines, and automation frameworks. And thus, we ensure your product performs flawlessly across different platforms. So friends, thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the Krishworks capability deck. We hope this gave you a clear understanding of how we can help bring your innovative ideas to life. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into technology and innovations. See you next time.